Time is just about past, present and future. Those who sense its importance surpass the geographical boundaries. And if you want to live the future through change and innovations, then the solutionist is Lloyd Group. Entrepreneurial vision of Mr. Brij Rajpanj since 1957 has made Lloyd Group of companies now a $500 million conglomerate with diversified businesses having worldwide presence. The group is totally equipped and marching ahead to achieve the $1 billion goal. So much is happening in view of world economy, and India, being its epicenter, is ready to capture the world with immense opportunities. Even European economy is reopening, creating a scope for flourishing prosperity. Future seems promising, and so is Lloyd in terms of expanding horizons of living in futuristic world. After 5 decades of experience and expertise, brand Lloyd is ahead of times to meet the demands of ever-changing world. Being recognized as pioneers in air conditioning and refrigeration industry, Lloyd owns a diversified business with manufacturing units and sales offices at various strategic locations worldwide. Headquartered in New Delhi, Lloyd Group has diversified businesses with global presence across various continents in America, Africa, Middle East and South Asia. Besides this, the group's domestic manufacturing units include plants at Bhiwadi, Rajasthan, Kala Amb, Himachal Pradesh, Pantnagar and Dehradun, Uttarakhand, Ranipet, Chennai, Tauru, Haryana, Noida and Sikandrabad in Uttar Pradesh, Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. The flagship company of the group, Fedus Lloyd Corporation Limited, is an ISO 9001 certified company listed on BSE and NSE. The company consists of many divisions with diversified portfolio specialized in product areas. Fedus Lloyd Corporation Limited is armed up and marching ahead with various divisions. Steel Structure Fabrication Division fabricates and executes turnkey solutions for structured implementation of power plants, Delhi Metro, refineries, multi-level car parking, residential structures, high-rise buildings, school and college buildings, whereas pre-engineered building structures aims at execution and erection of steel structures at industrial units. Scaffolding and Formwork Division caters to construction and infrastructure industry, having specialized services in design, manufacturing of scaffolding items and fittings like quick lock system and edge frame. AC Division works on the installation, service and maintenance solutions of air conditioning and refrigeration plants for Delhi Metro, telecom towers, defense sector and railways, along with overhead electrification. Heat Ventilation and Air Conditioning Division (HVAC) offers comfortable solutions in terms of temperature and humidity regulation with fresh air from outdoors. HVAC technology from Fedus Lloyd is used in defense sector's critical applications, telecom, aircrafts, army camps, spot cooling for steel plants and tunnel cooling. Air Systems Division caters to air conditioning industry, offering the extensive range of air handling and fan coil units, heat transfer coils, air distribution products, smoke and fire dampers, etc. The Domestic Power Project Division provides complete turnkey solutions of engineering, procurement and construction to carry out the power transmission and substation business. The clients of repute include Power Grid, NTPC, NHPC, State Utilities, Central Utilities, CTU, STU and private players who are involved in power generations and need power allocation through EPC contractor. The International Projects Division is engaged in execution of international projects from concept to commissioning from various sources of energy like wind, solar, hydropower, thermal power, gas-based power plants. Fedus Lloyd offers complete solutions in power generation projects. The sorts of projects include transmission lines, substations and rural electrification. Sheet Metal Division. FLCL has set up a modern sheet metal stamping unit having mechanical bar processor and state-of-art bar coating set up at Pantnagar, Uttarakhand to cater in-house as well as need of OEMs. The Networking and Telecom Division, with dedicated infrastructure experts, world-class technology and robust processes, help in building future-proof data center with reliable networking and telecom services. Wind Power Division, FLCL, is setting up a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility at Bharuch, Gujarat for manufacturing heavy engineering components for thermal, gas and nuclear power plants in addition to towers for wind turbines up to 3 megawatt capacity. Another group company, Lloyd Electric and Engineering Limited, LEEL, is the largest manufacturer of heat exchanger AC coils in India. With state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities and technology, it has the capacity of manufacturing 400 different types of coils. It is a leading manufacturer of micro-channel parallel flow heat exchangers. It is also a large OEM manufacturer for window and split air conditioners, which are sold in the domestic market as well as Middle East countries. The company recently acquired from Luvata Czech SRO Prague to expand presence in European and CIS markets. Junker Engineering Limited was acquired by Lloyd Group in 2009 from Lennox of USA. Backed by the wide network of dealerships and service centers in Europe, Junker Engineering offers a wide range of products for heating, cooling and ventilation systems in a variety of designs tailored to customer needs. Lloyd Coils Europe is a stable European manufacturer of high-quality heat transfer coils for heating, ventilation, air conditioning and refrigeration industry as original equipment manufacturers, OEM supplier in Europe and CIS countries. Its consumer products division markets consumer durables like window, split, ductable ACs, LEDs, LCDs, garment steamer, bread maker and cloth dryer in Indian markets. PSL Engineering, another group company, PSL Engineering Private Limited, deals in execution of specialized sheet metal and ferrous or non-ferrous plate fabrication, having a manufacturing plant at Maneri, Jabalpur and Haridwar, Uttarakhand. PSL caters to defense requirements, Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland and BHEL. Serco is Lloyd Group's project management company for telecom infrastructure, central air conditioning and railway overhead electrification. Well-trained technical manpower positioned in all regions ensure just-in-time solutions in terms of complaint escalation management. Perfect Radiators and Coolers. Perfect Radiators offers turnkey thermal transfer solutions for both automotive and non-automotive applications. Its unit located at Tauru, Haryana, manufactures heat exchangers that comply with the ISO 9001-2000 standard. It manufactures aluminium brace tube and fin as well as bar and plate heat exchangers. It is a leading supplier to Indian Railways. Regal Information Technology and IT arm of Lloyd Group offers a wide variety of services in terms of technology in steel manufacturing, engineering for various projects, primarily set up to cater in-house design for group companies. Now, Regal Information Technology serves projects of other reputed companies in India and overseas. The company has implemented SAP in 5 group companies in record time from grassroots. New manufacturing facilities. The group's new manufacturing technologies installed during 2010-11 include PSL and Perfect Radiators in Haridwar, expansion of existing plants in Pantnagar, wherein micro-channel line has been added along with identification of new products. In Sikandrabad, new plant of steel structure fabrication is being set up. New plants of LEEL and FLCL have been set up in Ranipet, Chennai and Bharuch, Gujarat. As we face the future at Lloyd, new techniques and technologies are always welcome to rise above challenges, adopting new initiatives like SAP certifications, advanced HR techniques, and corporate social responsibility measures. The company fulfills the motto of "Live the Future." Always striving for quality, Lloyd is working for recognized award of various certifications like IRIS and RAMS. IRIS, International Railway Industry Standard, is an initiative led by the Union of the European Railway Industries, UNIV. This world-class common global system is meant for the evaluation of business management systems specific to the railway industry. RAMS technique focuses on continual development of reliability and safety as a competitive advantage in Lloyd's working. For the betterment of society's future, Pandit Kanhaiyalal Punj Trust has been created, in which Lloyd Group Company contributes 1% of the profit each year. The contribution will be utilized for serving underprivileged and creating infrastructure for schools, etc. Along with this, Perfect Radiators is constructing classrooms in a school in Tawru, Haryana for underprivileged girl students. HR initiatives for employee welfare. New initiatives have been launched to improve communication and reward and recognition, including Long Service Award Scheme, Birthday Gift Scheme, Best Employee of the Month Scheme, training initiatives, e-news, lean manufacturing system, and Six Sigma. Tools for employee efficiency. Besides this, new IT initiatives are also implemented to welcome the futuristic way of life, including SAP. SAP is a powerful software to enhance working capacity of a company, integrating Lloyd's manufacturing with the rest of enterprise. In order to have quick communication, a dedicated conferencing facility between head office and Prague facility has been installed. Lean manufacturing. In addition to eliminating waste, lean manufacturing achieves optimum quality by process of immediate examination after manufacturing. Six Sigma is a disciplined, data-driven approach, strategy, and a defined methodology used to eliminate defects and derive results or produce near perfection. With such great initiatives, the future seems bright and intelligent. So is Lloyd. And still, the journey towards new milestones continues ahead with the recent goal of $1 billion company by 2013. Let's create innovations to rise above all and realize, live the future.